Glide to a gentle stop, raise your lap bar above your frosty brow, and gracefully step off your snow.
Cualquier explorador que esté embarazada, tenga presión arterial alta, mareos, problemas del corazón, cuello o espalda.
यार उल्टा कर दे रहे
अरे वो इधर ला रहा हम लोग
डोंट वरी पूरे गिरले
To embark on an amazing ride that will expose you to forces, speeds, and other intense.
No. Get on the skin.
Elmo learned many things, like how Big Bird helps out with just his 2 wings, holding the door for friends half his size, or perhaps even smaller. They're such tiny. I love it. Elmo learned something simple, like sharing a sweater can help brighten a day and make the world better. The kindness is not just about
along with us. It made me want to clap and flap. Flap, flap, flap. Flap, flap, flap.
All right, hey Big Bird, why don't you say hi to some of our friends that came out for story time today?
Oh yeah, I'd love that.
Perfect. Alrighty, my friends, if you would like to say hello to my buddy Big Bird, you're gonna stand right behind my friend Nick over
You guys
there,
will be my first
where the
family.
concrete meets the grass. That's good. Say hi to my buddy Big Bird.
छोड़ने का नहीं रखने का नहीं
No, we are leaving now.
I want you.
ये कौन ज्यादा है?
हम दोनों बनी आयत आयत
In this untouched wilderness, we are surrounded by the Arctic's sheer scale and beauty, forever preserved in its pristine state. On this breathtaking expedition into the Arctic, you will meet many fascinating creatures. Marvel at iconic polar bears as they navigate their frozen realm with graceful strength. Swim with mighty whales, their songs echoing through the icy depths. Watch as playful seals dive beneath the water's surface. Each animal plays a crucial role in the harmony of the Arctic ecosystem. Our team of intrepid explorers and researchers studying the tundra ecosystem scouted ahead, designing an exhilarating trek. In this breathtaking adventure, you will experience the untamed and majestic wilds of the Arctic itself.
Prepare to board the Odyssey Mark I, designed to travel seamlessly between
Thank you. real bubble.
Yes.
This is real. You can see? Like, whoa, whoa.
Come here. Bell will come to you.
If we're gonna baby shark, we got baby shark all together. I'm gonna try one more time. Just for those of you that just got here. Maybe you missed it. Love it. Here we go. Perfect. Mom and Dad, I love it. You're doing great out there. What's next? Look at people good at this. Okay. Feel it, man.
and display to see. To show the reason